So there is a lot more to regular expressions. We're going to stop here with the split and the sub method, but methods. But I think if you explore this package, you have a lot of different methods which we are not going to cover here. I'm only going to cover what at least we will want to use in real life a lot more, right? And in actual applications. So the split method, as it says, it splits a string where there is a match and returns a list of strings where the splits occurred. Okay, for example, d plus. Okay, so this is anything which is an integer plus. Okay, so that is okay. So let's run this code. Okay, so it finds the first two sets of integers. Okay, 30, and it splits it over there. Okay, so it doesn't return the integers. It's just going to return the stuff before the integers and the stuff after, right? So it finds that first two, then it goes along, and then it finds 8 and it splits it again. Okay, so this is the first. So if you look at this, if I were to say 0, the first element of that list is going to give me that. The second element, because it's split at the second element, is going to give me the remaining, and the last element is going to give me the percent sign, because that's where it's split. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so this is going to split at NUES. Okay, so let's see, NUES 0 or 1 occurrences of S. Okay, that's, I think we have done that. Star is 0 or 1 occurrences of S. So it's going to find REV, NUE, and it finds, 0 or more, not 0 or 1, 0 or more. It finds S. So it's going to split at NUES. So it splits here, and it gives you a list of 2. Okay, as we just discussed with this one. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so let's see what happens when you have NUES star. What happens if you don't have an S? Okay, because that's 0 or more occurrences. Okay, will it still split? It still does. Okay, because it's going to find 0 or more occurrences of S. I think I've reiterated that several times, but just to be clear. Okay, so this method returns a string where a matched occurrence are replaced with the content of the replacement variable. Okay, so you want to replace all integers. Okay, which is what d plus \d plus with hash. Okay, to hashtags. Okay, and that's what it does. Okay, so it's basically substituting. It finds this, substitutes with this in the actual string. Okay, which is what you find. If the pattern is known, it returns the original string. Okay, so if it doesn't find that, let's say there was no, let's see that. Okay, if it doesn't find those 2 integers, I assume it's going to return the original string, which it does. Okay, see that? So that's about it on regular expressions. There is a lot more, as I said. You need to, the best way to learn is practice. Practice with a lot of different varieties of strings. You can find a lot of text, news articles and all, and try to see whether you can extract the information you want. Okay, there are some references for you, and there is a lot more. If you just Google it, you'll be able to find technically a solution to every problem you encounter while coding. Okay.